Hello everyone. The second type of population interaction that we are going to study today is mutualism. Mutualism is a type of interaction where both the species are benefited, like they both get advantage here. So the example of mutualism is, first is lichens. Lichens is the symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi. Algae here prepares the food with the help of chlorophyll. And fungi gives shelter to algae. So here the both are benefiting each other. The second type of example here is mycorrhiza. It is again a type of symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic relationship means mutualism where both the species are benefited. Here the two species are, first is fungi, and then second is higher plant roots, the roots of higher plants. Here the fungi helps the plant to absorb the nutrients. It helps the plant to absorb the nutrients and higher plants, they are providing shelter to fungus. They are providing shelter to the fungus. The next type of example which is very important is the biotic agents of pollination. Such as insects and birds and the flowering plants. In this, what happens? The biotic agents such as insects and birds, they get the nectar, they get the oviposition. The meaning of oviposition is the site for laying eggs. Here what happened? The birds get the place where they can lay eggs. What happens here? The male bees may also pseudocopulates with the pollen grain, and hence what happens? The pollen grain dusted on the body of the male bees. Hence what happens? The pollination may takes place. Here what is happening? The plants are getting the pollen grain for the pollination, and the birds and insects and bees, they are getting the nectar and the pollen grain as well. Sometimes the pollen grain are edible as well. Sometimes the pollen grain is edible for the biotic agents. So what happens? In some cases, the pollen grain loss also happens because they are the food for the biotic agents. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for today. Have a great day.